This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a prepaid phone. First, you'll need to purchase a prepaid phone and a compatible SIM card from your chosen carrier. Once you have these, carefully insert the SIM card into the designated slot on your phone. After the SIM is in place, activate your service by following the simple instructions provided by your carrier, which often involves a quick call or online registration. This initial setup usually takes less than 10 minutes. To keep your prepaid service active, you'll need to add funds regularly. You can easily purchase top-up cards or vouchers at many retail locations, typically in denominations like $10, $20, or $50. Alternatively, recharge online directly through your carrier's website or their dedicated mobile application, which is often the quickest method. Many providers also offer an automated phone system for adding funds using a credit or debit card, providing flexibility for everyone. Effectively managing your prepaid phone involves regularly checking your balance and usage. Most carriers offer several ways to do this, such as dialing a short code like *777# or through their mobile app. It's crucial to monitor your remaining data, talk minutes, and text messages to avoid unexpected interruptions. Also, be aware of your plan's expiration date, as unused funds or services might expire after a set period, often 30 or 90 days. Prepaid phones offer significant benefits, including no long-term contracts and excellent financial control, as you only pay for what you use. This can be ideal for those on a budget or who prefer flexibility. However, be aware that per-unit costs for data or calls might sometimes be slightly higher compared to contract plans. Many carriers offer auto-recharge options, which can be very convenient, ensuring your service never unexpectedly runs out, saving you time and hassle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.